Welcome to our great new listing in Alabaster. This is in the Port South neighborhood. This is a wonderful house we're really excited about going on the market. So many unique things that we can't wait to show you.
Yes, and it's under $375. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and really some super unique upgraded lighting throughout.
Let's take a look.
One-level living meets thoughtful design in this beautifully crafted home with hardwood floors throughout. No carpet. The open floor plan features a vaulted tongue-and-groove ceiling in the great room, flooded with natural light from dormer transom windows. A large kitchen island with breakfast bar separates the kitchen from the living area, while French doors off the dining space lead to a charming front entry deck. Enjoy a screened back porch, open grilling deck, and multi-level entertaining decks below. The primary suite offers a private ensuite with separate tile shower. 2 spacious guest bedrooms share a hall bath. The finished basement includes a den, bedroom, and full bath, ideal for guest or work from home needs. Unique light fixtures and quality finishes shine throughout. A 2-car basement garage with insulated doors and side entry drive adds convenience, while street level parking leads to the welcoming front door. Vinyl siding, brick foundation, and timeless curb appeal. Yes, we just love this house, and I love being out in this backyard. It feels like you're in a tree house.
Let us know if you'd like to take a look. We'd love to show it to you.